Welcome back. Laptops were distributed in Pedne Higher Secondary by Speaker of Goa Assembly and Pedne MLA Rajendra Arlekar. BJP had promised in its manifesto that they will provide laptops to 11th standard students.
Rajendra Arlekar distributed the laptops to the students of higher secondary in Pernem. These laptops were distributed after BJP promised it to 11th standard students.
पॉझिटिव्ह मोडान जर तुम्ही रावत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता लायव्हलीनेस कायम तुमच्या भितर उरतले. हे लायव्हलीनेस प्रत्येकाच्या जीवनात प्रत्येकाच्या लायफान आवश्यक आसा.
He hoped that Pernem High Secondary will be a model school in the taluka.
He needs something emotionally. ताका एक मेंटली एक सॅटिस्फॅक्शन जाय आसता. वेदर ऑल these three persons, three units, parents, management and the teachers are providing this is the question to be answered and acted upon.
A reporter in Pernem, Vinod Metar.
There is a major parking problem at Saudi in Kankan. People informed that vehicles are parked on the roadside and in front of the shops in the market. They also informed that there is no parking board due to which people park their vehicles haphazardly.
This is the market area in Chaudi Kankan. As you can see, the vehicles are parked without any guidance and proper care. There is no way for other vehicles to pass as vehicles are parked on the roadside. People are worried as this haphazard parking of vehicles leads to traffic congestion.
पार्किंगाचो प्रश्न आमच्या म्युनिसिपालिटी मार्फत सोडोवचो अशी आमची मागणी आसा. जशें दुसऱ्या राज्यांनी पार्किंगाची जागा आसा तशी हांगा एक जागा आरक्षीत करची अशी आमची मागणी आसा. पार्किंगेक जागो आरक्षीत केल्लो ना अजून, तो बेगीन करचो. आनी दुसरी गजाल म्हणल्यार लोक हांगा मेळटा ते कोणाच्या दुकाना मुखार खंय मेळटा ते गाडयो पार्क करतात आनी त्या वेळार पार्किंगाची समस्या मोठी जाता. दुसऱ्या म्हणल्यार ते दुकानदार तांकां गाडयो पार्क करूं दिना. त्या वेळार तांकां खंय गाडयो खंय पार्क करचो हो प्रश्न तांच्या मुखार.
आमच्या इस्कॉला भुरग्यां आनी हिंगा येवदान तेवदान वयता तेन्ना भिरांत आहा एक्सिडेंट जावपाची. तेन्ना हें पार्कींग म्हणटा तें चड गरजेचें. खंय जाल्यार सरकारान फुडें सरून हें काणकोणा पार्कींग, कारण हिंगा एक बाजार जो भोंवता तोय रस्त्याचेर भोंवता आनी लोकांक जायते त्रास जाता गाडी बिडी व्हरपाक. तेन्ना सगळ्यांनी मुखार सरून हें पार्कींग एक चड इम्पॉर्टंट आहा.
A reporter in Kankan, Babesh Borkar.
And now news from sports. Salgaonkar Sports Club's I-League title retention chances are over. A 1-1 home draw against Mohun Bagan on Saturday was a bad result for the Green Brigade. Before coming into this match, Salgaonkar had 4 matches remaining and a victory in all 4 could have taken the defending champions to glory, provided other results also went in their favour. But this draw means that Salgaonkar are 10 points behind leaders Dempo Sports Club with 3 matches remaining. This lead is unassailable, hence Salgaonkar can now aim for their highest finish of 2nd position in the I-League.
We seem to have a player down here as well for Salgaonkar to add insult to injury. Dafa Onyeka Okoli just getting the better of Rahul Kumar. Checking past another defender there, which was Luciano Sabrosa, his rival captain. And firing that one past Karanjit Singh. No chance for the keeper. Nice ball played through to Odafa. Can he find another shot here? Lovely touch from him. Hudson Lima fortuitously getting that one, could be dangerous. Barreto here on the ball, can he create a scoring chance? We'll see to Sunil Chhetri. Taken from Barreto, oh, a chance here for Sunil Chhetri. And that's gone just off the upright. Was a good. Be really dejected with that lovely ball played to him. Just trying to get it through. Probably the last chance here for them. Header coming in. Down the right here. Nice pass here from Sabrosa, playing a long way away from central defense. Just couldn't find Milagres with Ishfaq Ahmed. Finds Milagres, laid it on, and once again.
newly appointed Sports Minister Ramesh Tawardkar has criticized the Babu Asgaonkar-led Sports Ministry of being negligent towards sports by failing to make use of the full sports budget. The Kankon MLA is targeting infrastructural development in his tenure, which will have to be linked with Lusophonia and national games to ensure Goa pulls off these sporting extravaganzas successfully. Tawardkar wants to make Goa a sporting model.
फाटली सरकार खंय कमी पडला दिसता तुमकां
की म्हाका सांगपाक दुर्दैव दिसता की फाटल्या सरकाराक सुद्दां आज आमी पळयतले की गोंयचें जें बजेट दवरलें आसा न्ही तातूंत सादारणच्या 28 कोटी बजेट खर्च केलें ना म्हळ्यार एखादो मंत्री जर पयशे दवरले खर्च करिना आनी हाजी तांणी दुर्दैव खंयचेंच मानलें म्हणून पूर्णपणे सरकाराचें दुर्लक्ष आसलें म्हणून जी अपेक्षीत जो ह्या खेळामध्ये ह्या डिपार्टमेंटामध्ये विकास जावपाक जाय तो जालो ना हें आमी मान्य करता सगळ्यांनी गोंयकारूय मान्य करता. विजन म्हणटा आसतना की हांव बेजिकली फिजिकल एज्युकेशन टिचर 10 वर्सां हांवें शारिरीक शिक्षण म्हणून काम केल्लें आसा. फाटल्या 7 वर्सांच्या कालावधीक एक संबंद स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंटा संदर्भात जो हांवें अभ्यास केल्लो आसा त्या अभ्यासा अंती कांय गोश्टी आसा विरोधी पक्षाची भुमिका म्हणटा आसतना ज्यो सरकारान ज्यो चुकी केल्ल्यो आसा त्यो दाखोवन दिल्ल्यो आसा. हांव मानतां आज एक खेळा मंत्री म्हणून म्हाका खेळा संदर्भात ह्या विशयाक जेन्ना करता तेन्ना खेळ हो आसा न्ही स्पोर्ट्स जो आसा न्ही तो गोंयच्या विकासाचो एक कणो असो हांव धरून वता. कारण जर आमी गोंयकार जर आमी शारिरीक मानसीक दृश्ट्या जर आमी सुदृढ उरले जाल्यारच आमी विकासाचे मोठे कल्पना करपाक शकता. म्हणून म्हज्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान खेळाक गोंयच्या विकासाच्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान खूब म्हत्वाचें आसा. दुसरो तेन्ना म्हत्वाचो विशय आसा तो गोंयचें जें स्पोर्ट्स टॅलंट आसा गोंयांत ल्हान आसा तें विकसीत करपाक खूब सोंपें. त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान गोंयचें स्पोर्ट्स टॅलंट आसा तें हेरून ताका योग्य पद्दतीन ताका ट्रेनींग दिवन ताजो विकास करपा दृश्टिकोनान म्हजो प्रयत्न आसतलो. त्याच बरोबर की गोंयांत जें लागणारें बेजीक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जें आसा तें फुडल्या कालावधीक उबी करून गोंय हें खेळाच्या क्षेत्रांत सुद्दां एक वेगळ्या पद्दतीन मॉडेल म्हणून करपा येता काय न्ही अशा तरेचो एक विशय घेवन आमी वता.
Our reporter Babesh Borkar from Kankon.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our news bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.